Hey everybody, horticulturist Gary Bachman, head grower at Heritage Cottage Urban Nano Farm and Heritage Cottage Seeds. Well, right now I'm sitting in the shade because it is smoking hot here this afternoon. But I'm sitting in the shade of one of my favorite peppers that we grow here at the farm, and we have the seeds available at Heritage Cottage Seeds. But this is the Datil pepper. You can see the yellow orange peppers that are ripening up over my shoulder here. Datil pepper has a really interesting history. The exact origin of the datil pepper is really unknown. The local legend around St. Augustine, Florida, where it is the pepper of St. Augustine, but it was brought by the Minorcans way back when and has been part of the culture there since the Minorcans settled in that area. And when you visit St. Augustine, and we visited St. Augustine last October, and there's all kinds of hot sauces and jams and jellies, anything made with datil pepper, you can find it there. It is just amazing, and it's all tasty. Now, the pepper that I'm sitting under right now, the original seeds were given to me by master gardeners from St. Augustine. But this pepper is a blocky pepper. It's got nice square shoulders to it. It's got a fruity taste to it, but it also has the heat of a habanero, 100,000 to 300,000 Scovilles.
And holy crap, it is hot as hell. Ah! Oof, oof.
Whew. I don't know why I did that on such a hot day, but I'm going to be getting that capsaicin rush here real soon. What is interesting, and there's Chili the seed farm dog barking at me. She's mad at me because I won't let her out here. But what was interesting, on our trip to St. Augustine last October, I met with a couple of growers and I got seeds from the growers. Now let's go ahead and take a look at those plants. Now I'm over at the base of one of the growers' datil peppers that they were generous enough to share seeds with us. And I'm just going to reach up in here, and they're hard to see because these are really bushy plants, and they're a smaller pepper. But let me put them side by side. There's the two versions of datil pepper, and it's interesting when you look in the seed sources. You'll find the blocky ones offered, and you'll also find these more cylindrical. There has been conversations about whether people are selling datil peppers that aren't datil peppers. Well, here I'm showing you. Here's two different versions of datil pepper that comes from St. Augustine, and really in the seed trade, that has happened a lot, where an area is known for a particular variety of pepper or tomato or whatever, and others that are grown there are also called that other name. It's part of a marketing thing, but it is very interesting. So I don't know which one is the real datil pepper. That's a good, here, let me do it. Let me hold it this way. So we got the two datil peppers here. Will the real datil pepper please stand up? Not quite sure which is which, but I almost think I have to have a taste test of this pepper to see how it compares to the other one.
I can definitely verify that this pepper is just as hot as that other one. Oh my gosh. I am going to be hurting later.
Whew, that was dumb. But anyways, not quite sure which is which, but Heritage Cottage Seeds will have our original datil pepper seed available for next year. We'll also have the second variation of datil pepper available next year. And I have a third plant, and another variety that hasn't produced fruit yet. So maybe we'll have 3 different selections of datil pepper for you guys to try. But anyways, that's just thought I'd share that with you. It's It's kind of fun growing these different varieties and seeing what's all going on out there. Hey, if I give you guys tips and tricks, maybe even convince you to eat a really hot pepper, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. You know, because what I do here at the Urban Nano Farm and Heritage Cottage Seeds is real world gardening. Hey, so let's grow better together, okay? Woo! No more of these today. We'll see you next time.